In this video, we're going to explore two ways in which you can add fonts to Canva Pro. There are only a few steps to follow, so let's keep this tutorial nice and quick. Bear in mind the ability to add fonts in Canva is reserved for Pro members only. If you are using the free version of Canva, you will not be able to add fonts to your account. Let's tackle the first method to add a font by using the brand kits function. If we navigate to brand over here, we can set up our brand kit. From here, we want to focus on the font section. We can see we have the add new feature here. Selecting this will allow us to upload a font. Now we already have a font downloaded from thefont.com, but effectively any custom font with a TTF file will do. We can either drag and drop or choose the files that we want. Let's upload the bold variation for this example. We next want to confirm that we either own the rights to the font, or at the very least have the rights to use the font for its intended purposes. When we are happy with that, we can click Yes, Upload Away. A few seconds later and we have the font uploaded. Perfect. Now let's explore the alternative method to uploading a font. First, let's navigate to Create a Design. We'll just pick a template with visible text for this example to keep things moving. With our design loaded up, we can select the text on the page. Now from this toolbar, we can select the font option, which opens up this side panel. All the way down at the bottom, we have the Upload a Font function. This will instantly open up Windows Explorer, where we can locate and upload our chosen font. Much like before, we can confirm the upload, and we now have our font uploaded and ready to use. And that's how you upload fonts in Canva Pro.